You searched how to buy shares of Nordex. Nordex builds and services onshore wind turbines and related equipment, trading on Xetra under the ticker NDX1.DE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy Nordex, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker NDX1.DE to find Nordex. Select the listing that shows Xetra as the exchange to ensure you have the correct share. On the asset page, you will see a brief company profile and a price chart showing recent movements. Double-check the exchange is Xetra and the ticker NDX1.DE to confirm it is the right Nordex listing. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a limit instruction, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add more before final confirmation. Once executed, your Nordex position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft reminder, the eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account. This is an educational guide, not investment advice.